Among the participants in this season of Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 17 is Sana Raees Khan. Sana's decision to enter the Bigg Boss house has already ignited controversy and raised eyebrows. As a prominent legal figure, her involvement in the TV reality show had sparked debates about professional ethics and priorities. Sana Raees Khan is a practicing criminal lawyer, notably represented Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan in the Mumbai cruise drugs case of 2021. She also represented Indrani Mukherjee, the prime accused in the Sheena Bora murder case. She has also handled Avin Sahu case and accused in the Cordelia drugs case. With Ashutosh Dubey, a well-known lawyer at the Bombay High Court, expressing objections. He contends that her participation violates the guidelines established by the Bar Council and has consequently filed a formal complaint with the Bar Council of India. Ashutosh says, and I quote, "According to Rules 47 to 52 of the Bar Council of India rules, advocates are prohibited from engaging in any other employment to generate income. Additionally, Section 49(1)(c) of the Advocates Act 1961 restricts practicing advocates from pursuing full-time employment in other fields. This development has put Sana Raees Khan in a difficult situation, as she now faces potential repercussions from the legal community for her decision to participate in a TV reality show. The Bar Council of India will likely investigate the matter and make a determination of whether her participation in Bigg Boss 17 indeed violates established legal laws and ethical guidelines for advocates. The controversy surrounding Sana Raees Khan's entry in Bigg Boss 17 has become a captivating and polarizing narrative, stirring curiosity among both legal experts and the general public. As a famous criminal lawyer who has represented high-profile clients in several complex cases, her decision to step into the realm of reality television has raised questions about professional ethics and priorities. The Bar Council of India, as the governing body for legal professionals, holds the responsibility of upholding the ethical standards of the legal community. They have been called upon to investigate whether Sana's participation in the reality show breaches established guidelines and whether it poses a potential conflict of interest. This unfolding drama presents a conundrum for Sana Raees Khan. Will her journey on Bigg Boss 17 open new avenues in her career, potentially reaching a broader audience, or will it result in unforeseen repercussions? The legal and entertainment worlds eagerly anticipate the Bar Council's verdict, as it may set a precedent for how legal practitioners navigate their intersection of law and the public eye. The situation raises essential questions about the boundaries and responsibilities of legal professionals when it comes to public engagements outside their legal practice. The outcome will undoubtedly have far-reaching implications for professionals balancing dual roles in different domains.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.